Thank you, Mr. President. Gang's all here. Colleagues, we are so excited today to have a package of bills available on my desk that we welcome your co-sponsorship for to help Michigan plan and expand our electric vehicle infrastructure. This is something that is so crucially important. Michigan is the automotive state. We created this industry. We put the world on wheels, and we made it available to everybody. We revolutionized design, engineering, and manufacturing. This is the center of the automotive universe. But I think we all have to be aware that the auto industry is changing faster today than it ever has in its history. And this is our industry to lose. So we know that we can solve any design problem. As we look at the next generation of electric vehicles and where this industry is going, we in Michigan have the unique capability to imagine it, to design it, to engineer it, to build it, and to ship it all over the world for people to enjoy and to be able to get to where they want to go. But we are at a point right now where if you drive an electric vehicle, you may not make it to where you want to go. And particularly in Michigan, as we look to what's next, we have to plan for the future. Our package of bills, which I am so proud that we developed in a bipartisan fashion, would create an electric vehicle council within the Michigan Department of Transportation to work in tandem with energy experts, researchers, industry experts, and the state to plan a robust vehicle network. It would create a bill to allow for state parks to install chargers, and imagine the ability for us to market from a tourism campaign that you could travel all of our beautiful state parks throughout Michigan in an entirely green vehicle. It would allow for electric vehicles to be installed at park and rides so that you could confidently know that as you travel the state, you could make it from Detroit to Marquette and be able to charge along the way. And would create an incentive bill to allow for small businesses and multi-unit dwellings to be able to install these chargers. Now imagine places where people are already spending significant amounts of time. Think restaurants, hotels, retail, small businesses in all of your districts. Because as you charge a vehicle, you're going to be spending a little bit of time there. So as we encourage adoption and encourage people to change their habits, we want to encourage them to spend time at all of the small businesses in your district as well. So these bills will be available on my desk for a few minutes after session today. We hope you will consider co-sponsoring, and they will also be available in my office later this afternoon if we miss you, and we will go office to office trick-or-treating as well to